Like and subscribe for more tactical data and intelligence.
Traders, good afternoon. It's noon on Wednesday, March 4th, 2026. This is Jason Bennett coming to you from the Tactical Data Desk. I bring you free gamma exposure and GEX levels with my custom Schwab API, Tastytrade API, Python scripts where I'm pulling all this data, plotting it with my custom NinjaTrader scripts that I wrote myself, putting these in charts for you so you can see gamma shift, market shift, option momentum, where we can make real trades and make some real money. If you like what I'm sending here, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, helps the algorithm, and if I get to the point where I can live stream all this free data on YouTube, I will do that. So let's go over what happened today in the market. If you saw my morning analysis, this is all going to make sense to you, and hopefully you watched that, and hopefully you made some money today like I did. So this morning, the daily wall shift started out at 6,700 for the put wall and 6,900 for the call wall. And right between 9:30 and 9:45, that call wall went up, that put wall went up, came back down, and then at the 9:50-ish mark, that put wall pumped up to 6,800. That call wall stayed at 6,900. But look at spot price. Once that put wall finalized at 6,800, right where the gamma flip line was, that spot price just started trending up and up and up and up. Now mark this time, 9:45. Look what happens to the GEX Delta. At 9:45-ish, the GEX Delta, the weight of the market makers, they stop selling, they start buying. And we go from negative weight to positive weight, and this gets green. And just after 10 o'clock, we are in the positive GEX Delta regime. That's good for buying. Watch what happens on this chart. This is the NinjaTrader chart. This is my GEX HUD. All this updates real time with the gamma levels. I was watching the call shifts and the put shifts happen real time along with this GEX weight go up. I made 2 or 3 trades today, and my profit on futures was 712, and that was great. Lots of other opportunities. We came all the way up right here just at 9:45. Look at just at 9:45 when that GEX weight started coming up and that put wall moved up. Bam, we went from 68.20ish all the way up to the prior day high at 68.86. Bounced down to yesterday's gamma flip line, the weekly gamma flip line, up to the prior day high again, back down to that gamma line, back up to the prior day high, and just below that call wall. So you could have done anything you wanted. Put credit spreads would have worked. Call credit spreads above that call wall would have worked. You could have still been in them safely all day long. I played some credit spreads in my E-Trade account. Real easy. I actually trade broken wing butterflies. Had $200 today in credit spreads. I was busy running some other scripts, or else I would have done more. I trade those broken wings because it A, lowers my break even, B, gives me some downside protection, and just takes a little bit of the risk off for me. But gosh darn, what a great day. If you're trading off regular indicators, you're not with the times. The explosion of 0DTE options has made the market mechanics and what moved the markets different. You've got to have gamma exposure and GEX levels if you want to be with the market and move with the market. These are pretty much fail-safe. If you're trading futures like I do, it tells you if you want to go long or if you want to go short. And the only thing you have to do at that point is make sure you maximize and pinpoint your execution and your entries. If you want to play it safe and just have some credit spreads, whether it's a bull put spread or a bear call spread or iron condor above or below that wall, whether it's on the 0DTE or the weekly DTE, because I got that mapped here, the weekly 6950 call wall, 6800 put wall, you could have hit that. That probably would have decayed since Monday with all the volatility happening, would have been profitable. Or you could have just hit the major, 7,000 to 6,800. You'd be good. But my day was just about $900, pretty easy money. All I do is get up in the morning, I open up my Python scripts that I wrote. You can see these just ran, see them syncing. Success master walls for all tickers. I also watch quite a few stocks, NVIDIA, Apple, Tesla. I know where the market makers have their call walls and put walls. So if we hit those prices, you're going to buy or you're going to sell, or you can just run iron condors on top of them, or you can just run just a put credit spread below it, or a naked put below it, and you can bet the prices are going to go below that. So after 10 a.m. my Python script runs every 5 minutes. Between 9:30 and 10 it runs every 2 minutes. It's good to have that, and it plots everything into an Excel file. I make some charts off that, but my NinjaTrader is real time. So that's what happened with today's Tactical Data Desk. If you like this, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, let me know what you like to see, what you want to see. This is Jason Bennett. I love trading. 25-year Air Force veteran, still serving, proud to serve. Love to trade, love the trading community. It's good chatting with you guys, and on to tomorrow.